there, beautiful souls! Are you craving a fresh look but hesitant about the commitment of dyeing your hair? Well, fear not, because today I've got the perfect solution for you. In this video, I'll be diving into the world of ombre hair extensions, bringing you the top 5 picks that will elevate your style game to a whole new level. Whether you're aiming for a subtle change or a bold transformation, these extensions have got you covered. Stick around till the end to find your perfect match. At number 1 position, we have UNice Ombre Hair Extension. UNice Ombre hair extensions offer a seamless blend of colors, providing a natural-looking ombre effect. Crafted with premium quality human hair, these extensions boast luxurious softness and shine, mimicking the texture of real hair flawlessly. Key features, benefits, and usage. The key feature of UNice Ombre hair extensions lies in their versatility. With various lengths and shades available, you can effortlessly customize your look to suit your style preferences. These extensions are heat-resistant, allowing you to style them with hot tools for a personalized touch. The benefits extend beyond aesthetics, as these extensions require minimal maintenance and can be reused multiple times, making them a cost-effective investment for your beauty routine. Usability, durability. When it comes to usability, UNice Ombre hair extensions score high marks. They are easy to clip in and blend seamlessly with your natural hair, providing instant volume and length. Additionally, their durable construction ensures long-lasting wear, allowing you to enjoy your new look with confidence. Moving on to the next at number 2 with Fshine Ombre hair extensions. Fshine Ombre hair extensions are designed to add dimension and depth to your hairstyle, creating a vibrant ombre effect that commands attention. Made from high-quality Remy human hair, these extensions offer a silky smooth texture and exceptional manageability. Key features, benefits, and usage. The standout feature of Fshine Ombre hair extensions lies in their superior color blending technology, which ensures a seamless transition between shades. Whether you opt for a subtle gradient or a dramatic contrast, these extensions deliver a flawless finish every time. Their lightweight design makes them comfortable to wear for extended periods, allowing you to rock your new look with confidence. Usability, durability. In terms of usability, Fshine Ombre hair extensions are a breeze to install and style. With their sturdy clips and secure grip, they stay in place throughout the day, even during vigorous activities. Plus, their durable construction ensures longevity, so you can enjoy your stunning hairstyle without worrying about premature wear and tear. The number 3 position is held by Fshine Ombre hair extensions. Fshine Ombre hair extensions are the epitome of luxury, offering a rich blend of colors that adds depth and dimension to your locks. Crafted from premium quality human hair, these extensions boast a soft, natural texture and a lustrous sheen that rivals that of real hair. Key features, benefits, and usage. The standout feature of Fshine Ombre hair extensions lies in their exquisite color gradient, which is achieved through an intricate dyeing process that ensures uniformity and depth. Whether you prefer subtle highlights or bold contrasts, these extensions allow you to experiment with different looks effortlessly. Their easy-to-use clip-in design makes them perfect for both beginners and seasoned pros alike, while their low-maintenance upkeep ensures hassle-free styling day after day. Usability, durability. When it comes to usability, Fshine Ombre hair extensions are a dream to work with. Their lightweight construction and secure clips make them comfortable to wear for extended periods, while their durable materials ensure long-lasting performance. Whether you're heading to a special event or simply want to elevate your everyday style, these extensions are sure to impress with their unmatched quality and versatility. Next at number 4, we have Beauty Forever Ombre hair extensions. Beauty Forever Ombre hair extensions are designed to help you achieve a flawless, salon-worthy look from the comfort of your own home. Made from premium quality human hair, these extensions offer a soft, natural texture and a vibrant color gradient that enhances your natural beauty. Key features, benefits, and usage. The key feature of beauty. Forever Ombre hair extensions lies in their seamless blending ability, which allows you to achieve a perfectly gradient effect with ease. Whether you're looking to add subtle highlights or make a bold statement, these extensions deliver exceptional results every time. Their easy-to-use clip-in design makes them suitable for all skill levels, while their heat-resistant construction allows for effortless styling with hot tools. Usability, durability. In terms of usability, Beauty Forever Ombre hair extensions excel with their user-friendly design and secure attachment. Their lightweight construction ensures comfort during wear, while their durable materials guarantee long-lasting performance. With proper care, these extensions will maintain their beautiful appearance for months to come, making them a worthwhile investment for anyone looking to elevate their hairstyle game. Finally, the number 5 position is dominated by Mrscx Ombre hair extensions. Mrscx Ombre hair extensions are the ultimate accessory for anyone looking to add a pop of color to their hairstyle. Made from high-quality synthetic fibers, these extensions offer a vibrant ombre effect that instantly elevates your look. Key features, benefits, and usage. The standout feature of Mrscx Ombre hair extensions is their bold and vibrant color palette, which allows you to experiment with different looks and styles. Whether you're going for a dramatic ombre effect or a subtle gradient, these extensions offer endless possibilities for customization. Their easy-to-attach clips make them a breeze to install, while their lightweight design ensures comfort during wear. Usability, durability. When it comes to usability, Mrscx Ombre hair extensions are a convenient and affordable option for achieving salon-worthy results at home. While synthetic, these extensions are designed to withstand regular styling and wear, providing long-lasting performance without breaking the bank. Whether you're getting ready for a night out or simply want to switch up your everyday look, these extensions offer a quick and easy solution for adding flair to your hairstyle. And there you have it, folks! The top 5 ombre hair extensions that are sure to take your hairstyle game to the next level. Whether you're craving a subtle change or a bold transformation, these extensions offer unparalleled versatility, quality, and style. So why wait? Treat yourself to a stunning new look today and unleash your inner beauty with confidence. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more beauty tips and tricks. Until next time, stay fabulous!